Odd. Odd.
Welcome to Ken's Kids channel.
Hi everyone! Today we will be learning CVC words by word families. Come on, let's go! Are you excited?
Yes, we are.
Great job!
Odd. 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 Odd.
Yahoo!
Odd. Odd. Pod. Odd. Pod. Pod. Odd. Rod. Odd. Rod. Rod. Odd. Nod. Odd. Nod. Nod. Now let's read the whole word. Pod. Rod. Nod. Let's read them again. Pod. Rod. Nod. Now kids, it's your turn. Well done, kids!
You made it!
Hooray!
Let's practice one more time. Odd. 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 Odd.
Yahoo!
Odd. Odd. Pod. Odd. Pod. Pod. Odd. Rod. Odd. Rod. Rod. Odd. Nod. Odd. Nod. Nod. Now let's read the whole word. Pod. Rod. Nod. Let's read them again. Pod. Rod. Nod. Now kids, it's your turn. Well done, kids!
You made it!
Hooray! I love it!
Thank you so much for learning with us. See you on our next reading episode. Bye!